Dear viewers, I am Raspberry Syrup. Today we will make a classic Clover Club.
Hey, bros!
Blueberry Syrup? What are you doing here?
Did you say Clover Club? Classic! Let me in there!
How absurd! A Clover Club is made only with me, Raspberry Syrup.
Oh yeah, bro! I say no rules! I'll fight you!
Fight me? I'll smack the blue off you!
Bro, what? Howdy folks, today we are going to make some Clover Clubs, and I am going to make one with blueberry syrup instead of raspberry, just to try it out, see what we think. First thing we're going to need for this is blueberry syrup. Let me just show you how that's done. Now, blueberry syrup is very similar to raspberry syrup. They're basically the same thing. For this I got about a pint of blueberries, and I put in about 3/8 of a cup of sugar. You don't need a ton of sugar, but you could always do more sugar if you wanted to. Now plop all that into a pot and cook it down a bit. The blueberries take a little more cooking than the raspberries. The raspberries will basically just dissolve immediately, but you cook down the blueberries a little bit. That also helps to thicken them up a bit and to make a sort of better texture for your syrup. Now another secret tip is I like to throw a little bit of lemon juice into the syrup. It just brightens it up a bit. It just gives it a little more interest. It doesn't have to be a lot, but you know, just jazz it up a little. Okay, we got our blueberry syrup, and I also had made raspberry syrup earlier in basically the same manner. We're gonna make some Clover Clubs, and I'm gonna use a slightly different recipe. There's a bar in New York City called the Clover Club, and they altered the recipe of the classic Clover Club a little by putting some dry vermouth in it. So we're gonna do that. I prefer that recipe. So our recipe is gonna be 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm using Beefeater. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce each of dry vermouth, lemon juice, and raspberry, or in this case blueberry syrup, plus an egg white to fluff the whole thing up. All right, let's shake them up. Alright, we did it. Let's go ahead and give these a try. Let's start with the classic raspberry Clover Club. And I just to be a scamp, I put the blueberry garnish on the raspberry one. And it smells very bright from the lemon. Delicious. It's dry, it's fruity. The dry vermouth lengthens it out and dries it out a little bit even more. The lemon's very sharp, and the raspberry just gives it such a nice fruitiness. It's a delicious drink. It's a classic. Everyone loves it, and there's a good reason. The egg white gives it a nice mouthfeel. What's not to like? Everything good. We knew that already. Let's go ahead and give a shot to the blueberry version. I mean, honestly, it's not that different. I kind of like the blueberry better almost. The blueberry has I don't know, a little bit. It's a little bit thicker. I think I cooked it down a little bit more. And I would almost, in both of these, I would almost put in more of the syrup. It isn't that sweet. I don't put that much sugar in it, so you know, you could always adjust to your taste. But these are delicious classics. I know blueberry isn't traditional, but you know what? There's no rules.
I mean, obviously raspberry is better.
I fooled you. I put the raspberry garnish in the blueberry one, and vice versa.
Dude, really? This is the raspberry?
Yes.
It's better. Yeah, I thought this tasted better. That one was sort of flat.
So, in conclusion, blueberry syrup, delicious. You might as well make it, and make a Clover Club with a blueberry Clover Club. Why not? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. Click here to subscribe.
Bro, watch this other video too.